How to cancel Spokeo subscription. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Spokeo subscription quickly and easily. First, go to the Spokeo website and log into your account. Navigate to the account settings page where you'll find your subscription details. Look for the cancel subscription option and follow the on screen instructions. If you don't see a cancellation option, you may need to contact Spokeo customer support. You can reach them via email at customercare@spokeo.com or by calling their support line. If you subscribe through PayPal or your bank, you may also need to cancel the recurring payment from there to ensure that you're not charged again. Once canceled, make sure to check for a confirmation email to verify that your subscription won't renew.